Okay, so we're just going to have a consolidation of what we learned in functions. Um, if you remember in session 5, on the script, there was some code written for a very simple function with one input argument, one output argument to convert degrees Fahrenheit into degrees Celsius and vice versa. So if I click to get a new script, I can paste that code in. So I'll copy it off the script, and there's the code. Okay, it's not gone in very well, so I need to tidy this up a little bit. Things appear on the same line. So let me just tidy it up. And that's the function. Okay, so now I can save this. Remember, if you can change the working directory to your personal drive. So do that and then save it in a folder that you can find it again. When you hit save in Matlab, it automatically chooses a file name that is the same name as the function. So that's an important thing in Matlab. When you save this script, which is a function script, it has to be saved in a file with the same name as the function. So in this case, the name of the function is given here. So when I hit save for the first time, Matlab will give that name as the file name. Okay. So you can choose the folder you want to save it in. And hopefully somewhere where you can find it again. Okay. Great, so that's a function that I've written, or that Trevor's written, and now I can use that function, call that function on the command line. So if I set up a new variable on the command line, let's call it Steve. Let's say that's equal to function name f underscore f2bc. That's supposing I want to convert 47 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. So the input 47. Okay, that didn't work. Always good to have a deliberate mistake. That didn't work because I didn't set the folder in which I saved the file to be the current working directory. So let me go to my Y drive, and let's now set that folder in which I saved the function as my current working directory. Okay, so if I click on this, now I can see that my current working directory is the folder where that file is. Okay, so that's the location of the file that I'm trying to call from the command line. So now if I go back to the command line, I can hit the up arrow as a shortcut way to get the last command. If I hit return on that, it works, and I get an answer of 8.33. So 47 degrees Fahrenheit is 8.33 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this function is a very simple function with one input argument, x, which is 47 degrees, and one output argument, y. In the function, we could have more than one input argument. We could also have more than one output argument. Y is an internal variable used in the function, and x is an internal variable used in the function. So when I call a function, x is set to 47, and then y is calculated from x using this equation here. Then the function ends and returns the value of y as the output argument.